Today, we're talking about this sanitary petrogel lubricant. We just bought a home meat slicer and we wanted a lubricant to put on the parts that slide to make sure those parts continue to slide smoothly. And we wanted something food grade, and this one is a paraffin-based, food grade, odorless and tasteless lubricant. So that means it's not going to ruin any of the food that it inadvertently comes in contact with. This can be used on so many home appliances like our meat slicer or your coffee machine, anything that has a valve or an O-ring, like even your taps. We used it on the 2 slide rails on our meat slicer to make sure nothing sticks, because that's the last thing that you want when you're using something with a blade. This comes in a 4-ounce tube, and you can get this as a single pack or as a double pack. We purchased the double pack, and because a little goes a long way, this tube is going to last you a lifetime with just regular home usage. It's easy to apply. You just put a little bit on the moving part, and then you just work the moving part as you normally would. If there's anything extra that you put too much on, just take a paper towel and wipe off a little bit and you'll be fine. So if you have appliances with moving parts or you have taps with O-rings, this is the perfect lubricant to use.